In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Planner data if you need to review your tasks outside of Planner, share plan details with someone else, or keep a backup in spreadsheet format. Exporting your data to Excel is a quick and useful option. The process is very simple, and once you know where the menu is, you can do it in just a few seconds. To begin, make sure you are already inside the Microsoft Planner plan you want to export. You should be on the plan's main board view, where you can see your tasks and buckets. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct plan before exporting, especially if you manage multiple plans. That helps avoid downloading the wrong set of data. Once you're in the right plan, go to the top area of the screen next to the plan name. There, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click those three dots to open a drop-down list of additional actions for the plan. This menu contains tools and settings that aren't shown directly on the main screen, so it's the place to go when you need options like export. After the menu opens, look for the option labeled Export as Excel and click it. Microsoft Planner will then begin preparing your plan data as an Excel file. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be asked where you want to save it. In some cases, you might also see the download appear in your browser's downloads bar or downloads folder. Once the export finishes, open the Excel file to review your planner data. This can be especially helpful if you want to sort tasks, filter information, create reports, or share the data with teammates who may not be working directly inside Planner. If you don't see the file right away, check your default downloads folder first. One helpful tip is to rename the exported file after downloading it, especially if you plan to keep multiple exports over time. Giving it a clear name with the plan title and date can make it much easier to find later. And that's all it takes to export Microsoft Planner data. Open your plan, click the three dots next to the plan name, and choose Export as Excel. It's a fast way to move your planner information into a spreadsheet for tracking, reporting, or archiving.